Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the best YouTube to MP3 converter for PC or laptop. So let's get started. First things first, open YouTube Studio to download the video you want to convert. Then click on this three dots button. Then click on download button to download. Now, you have to download VLC media from browser. It is free. You can easily download. Once it is downloaded, click on it to open it. Once it is opened, click on top left media button. Then click on Convert or Save button. Then click on Add on the right side. Then select the YouTube video. Once video is added, then click on drop-down button on bottom. Then click on Convert. Then you have to click on Profile section. Then click on Audio MP3 from there. Then click on Browse to select file destination. Then select it. Then click on Save. Then click on Start. Then it will convert. Once it is converted, it will be saved. And that is best YouTube to MP3 converter for PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.